Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma to create engaging presentations quickly and efficiently. To begin, simply navigate to your Gamma dashboard and select the option to create a new project. You have three primary ways to start. Either provide a concise text prompt, paste in any existing content you already have, or import a document or URL. Gamma's powerful artificial intelligence will then take your input and swiftly generate an initial outline and a beautifully designed presentation for you in mere moments. Once you provide your initial input, Gamma's artificial intelligence takes over, generating a comprehensive outline for your presentation. It then automatically populates each card with relevant text and suggests appropriate visuals, saving you significant time. The system is designed to understand natural presentation flow, ensuring your content is structured logically from introduction to conclusion. You also have the flexibility to easily adjust the total number of cards and the overall content density to fit your specific needs. After the initial generation, it is time to personalize your presentation. You can easily edit text and rearrange content blocks directly within Gamma's intuitive editor. To ensure your presentation reflects your brand, apply custom themes, specific brand colors, and preferred fonts. Enhance engagement by adding various elements such as images, embedded videos, dynamic charts, or interactive buttons. Plus, you can leverage Gamma's AI tools to instantly rewrite sections of text or generate new images, making customization both powerful and simple. Once your presentation is polished and ready, Gamma offers several flexible options for sharing your work. You can present your deck live using its dedicated presentation mode, which includes subtle animations. For easy distribution, simply share a unique view-only link with your audience. If you need a static version or prefer other platforms, you can export your entire presentation to popular formats such as PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. Additionally, individual cards can be exported as high-quality PNG images for social media or other uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.